I will talk about how can you add your city on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on your photo profile, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on basic info, you just click on it. Then here you click on city. So then here can you search for your city or add your zip code here. When you search for it, you click on search, then it's going to show for you. So then I'm going to add here any city here. So can you just search for it here, then it's going to show for you, you click on it, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.